Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to use Let's Enhance AI tool. Here you can go and type Let's Enhance AI. This one is the official website that you can use. You can enhance your photos. You can also upscale and you can also do different things. So let me open this website. Then you can create a free account. Here you can go and click on continue with Google, this one. And now I have created a free account. Here you can go and click on my images and scroll down. Here you can find out. So after that, now we need to drop any of the image here. Let me go in downloads and I think I have an image, this one. And in this free package you can enhance 10 images free of cost. Now here you can see this one is the actual image. Simply you can go and click here, enhance button, and within few seconds you will get results. And here you can see this one is the final result. You can expand it and after that you can save this image in your laptop. So let me save it and open it here. Okay, that's working fine.